That was a deep laugh, Jock.
It was. I got the mirth.
He's got that mirthy joy. Why?
Because today we have a little surprise for everyone.
Oh, yeah, and also a surprise for ourselves because we are attacking the sweet potato patch in today's episode, Sweet Potato Surprise. Now, before we get into the mix, we do have to say this is the official last harvest of myself living here at the homestead.
That's weird.
Isn't that weird?
That is a little bit weird.
But what better way to do it than probably the biggest sweet potatoes we've ever seen.
This is a big patch.
So let's talk about it before we get in. Yeah, I mean, it's a big triangle. We planted a lot of sweet potato slips. We had so many and we had such a good harvest. Remember last year when we harvested the yam that the gopher?
Oh, you got some like straight biceps.
We got like a
boys in there.
A little leg, if you know what I'm saying. So there are some interesting things in this patch that aren't sweet potatoes right now.
Yeah, I see a little history lesson over here.
Oh yeah, so there's the Solanum pimpinellifolium.
Oh, got it.
Wow.
Yeah, oh, that's why it looks sad.
This is called the pimp, is what I call it at least. So it's the smallest tomato. It's actually the sort of ancient tomato, one of the genetic lines where a lot of tomatoes come from. And it's very tasty, but there's so many of them that it just spreads all over the patch every single season.
So what's our plan of attack here?
That's my question.
Are we gonna look for the mounds and just cut vines, or?
Because what we could do is we could remove vines like this and just let a little bit of them, and then we could get a sense for how we planted them. I almost like that play.
Okay.
Like clearing out.
I always come strapped, so.
I don't. I need to come strapped. I need to come correct. I'll be right back.
All right, I found the source of one of them over here.
Okay, I found a source as well.
You know, I still haven't tried eating the greens of the sweet potato.
I know one of you is gonna comment
I
say,
know, that's why I'm just
eat the green, eat the green.
preemptive.
Like, look, you eat these greens. This is too many. Why don't you come and eat these greens? I will say, you know, I bet there's a preparation of sweet potato greens someone will tell us that will make it all worthwhile.
Please share it because, spoiler alert, this isn't the only sweet potato patty here. So if we really wanted to, we could come back if somebody gave us a compelling enough recipe and try to actually eat some of these.
That is true. We could say we ate your sweet potato recipes. You know what? I thought we planted more than this because as I'm tracking down these vines, I'm finding that they really want to.
This is a mother vine right here, for sure. Look at this guy.
Okay, so this.
There's another one.
Cherry. What is going on here? Oh no, a gophy.
I see a hole.
I see a gophy hole.
Oh man, he made me sneeze.
He's literally having an
allergic to gophers. Sorry guys. That got me good.
Wow, look at that vine. That one just came right out. So here's what I'm thinking, Jacques.
Yeah.
We clear it out. We get a lay of the land.
Yeah.
Since we're gonna have to turn this bed anyways, we may as well come in with some forks and try to do a little excavation.
Because who knows? The thing is like right here, one of the vines just sent some roots down.
Yeah.
So there's a chance that there's a tater hiding in there.
A baby tater.
And baby taters might be even better.
But here's another thing I have for you. Everyone knows what's a baby potato.
It's a tatey.
It's a tatey. So, and what's a tater is a potato.
Yeah.
So what is a sweet potato? What is the epic nickname for a sweet potato?
It's a sweet tatey.
Sweet tot or something like that?
Oh, I thought it was just gonna be sweet tatey.
We just need something. We need something that hits. Because I'm nicknaming every plant in the garden.
Sweet tatey is it feels a little bit dirty, but I feel like it works.
It's no news for us. Here's the thing, if you're a real epic gardening and epic homesteading OG, you know all about the chamomile. So drop a chamomile in the comments. That's what we call a sweet orb. Look at that little blip, 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 blip. They almost look like peanuts. You know
Actually, yeah.
The way that peanuts are kind of in the ground like that?
Yeah.
Or something else. All right, Jacques. Thin or thick?
I'll go thick.
Not beating the allegations, ever. Just keep you guys guessing. Okay, who wants to do the ceremonial first day?
I think I'm gonna let you do it.
Okay, should I go with this guy?
Go for that one, and
Okay.
I'll go for the one that is making me nervous.
Like a true Filipino. Oh! Honk honk.
Who's there?
Look who we've got at the door. Oh my. Look at that. Oh, I didn't even see that one. It was buried. Wait. Hold on. Let's see what else. Let's get the full spread. I bet that's not even all of it either. Because we're talking, we got there's some danglers.
The little danglers, I'm not mad.
Little danglers.
The sweet patties?
Yeah. So let's put them all in this pathway.
Okay. That?
Oh. Oh no. Oh. Yo, hold up, hold up,
That's
hold up.
solid, dude.
Hold up. Go along. Dude, that's nice.
All right, look at this, dude.
Oh, excavation mode. Look at that. Let's excavate and take a pic. Oh,
Yeah,
there's more.
other cheek. I'm gonna let you pull this guy.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, wow. So this guy put all of his energy into one, right?
I like that, though.
Like that is aggressive.
I'm not mad at that. That's a cool
That
harvest.
is a huge, I've never seen one that almost looks gourd-like. Look at the,
It's a surface
look at
picker,
the,
too.
yeah, look at the structure of it.
It's unique.
It's beautiful. Yeah, no, really. What is that?
I don't know.
Wait, what is that?
It's
Is that
the
a sweet-
biggest. No, it's like the biggest
Wait, what is
caterpillar. It's like the biggest caterpillar I've ever seen.
Wait, what?
It's
No.
so thick.
Are you sure that's a caterpillar? It looks like a little sweet potato.
No.
Did you touch it?
No.
You gonna throw it at me?
No, come on. Not that.
Toss it, I wanna see it. You can toss it. Oh my God. Oh, isn't that a hornworm? No.
It doesn't quite look like it.
No.
Let us know in the comments, any master entomologist.
Yeah, what is that guy?
Who is this?
Look, we could look it up, but we want you to tell us.
No, we don't want to look it up. All right, I think we got another one here. Let's see.
Oh, that one went in a little too easy.
That's not good.
I don't like, oh. Easy come, easy go though.
There's a couple in there.
There's a reason why.
This is where like honest work maybe is not enough.
Whoa.
Cause like, or maybe we just pulled this guy a little early.
I don't know,
But
man. That's just
they're all
a
edible.
shape. It's a different shape.
That's true, that's true.
Like you know,
Biomass wise, not bad.
it's not about,
These are like sweet potato sausages now.
more like how it's cooked. You know what I mean?
Yeah, how you use it.
How you use it. Seeing something?
So the biggest thing for me is the curing of sweet potatoes.
Hey, look at this guy.
Oh, that's a nice one.
You remember what this reminds you of, right? That brick potato
Oh,
that we harvested in the test garden.
yeah. That was a
Brick.
crazy potato.
We did this experiment where we tested like 7 or 8 different methods of growing potatoes. We found one that literally looked like a brick. And this one, very aesthetic
yeah.
potato right here.
Nothing about it. I might take that one home.
No, please don't. Like I might somehow preserve this. Like somehow preserve that.
That's like just so perfect.
It's such a, oh, this was like the generator of aesthetics. Like that almost looks
not bad,
neat,
dude.
you know?
There's probably a couple hiding ones in there too.
Oh, 100%. Oh, wait, hold on, look.
You're still going?
There's a
oh,
little X marks the spot. Oh,
that was a good yield.
dude, all these ones are very shapely.
Yeah. And they have that white inside.
Yeah, dang, okay. How are we gonna fix this bed up for next season?
We did just destroy it.
Yeah. But
so-
look, it's sweet potatoes, it's turning the soil is fine.
Yeah,
You know?
absolutely. And so at this point we could, I mean, here's the thing. It's supposed to rain.
Yeah,
So if I kind of want to put fertilizer to refresh it,
yes.
but also if it's raining, it might wash it away.
Here's my thought on that.
All right, let's-
Is I love the idea of putting some fern in because Gerald Stratford, right?
Oh,
Long amend.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
I'm fine leaving this bed unplanted for 1 month, 2 months even,
Okay.
right? Let this grow, like let this break down, that rain. So let's turn it all over. We'll mix the fertilizer in as we do that.
Okay.
Actually, we may as well just
We
dump,
put it now and then
let's just
mix
dump
it.
fern on top.
Yeah.
We'll mix it in and then we'll smooth it out, you know, that crisp edge, and we'll just let the rain moisten it. We won't even water it in right now.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
let me
the
get
nice
fern.
thing is that if it does rain too much, it's just going to wash into the garden anyway.
Won't be a
So
big
it's not going to go anywhere bad.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with just an all-purpose. It's a 645. We've got some inoculants in here as well. And I'm gonna be unprecious as possible by just sprinkling the entire bag. This is a pretty decent sized area. There's a lot of time for this to break down. It isn't organic, so it's gonna need that time. I'm not worried about over-ferting. In fact, I think a lot of people trying to grow productive veg in the same spot year after year, they might under-fert, whether it's compost or something else. So I don't know what you think, Jacques, but
I do honestly think that most people are, with the organic stuff at least, under fertilizing a little bit.
yeah, I kind of agree.
I have stepped up my amounts this year
Yeah.
and I have had better results.
On your channel, you put a video out talking about it.
Yeah. No, I think it's important to actually respect. They're not, you know, obviously the main comment is like,
Oh, sorry to interrupt, but gold in the
another one, dude.
little gold in those hills.
Not bad. I think a lot of people think that the fertilizer companies are just telling you to put a lot because obviously they make more money.
Yeah,
And I'm sure there's some truth to that in some cases.
it's like the shampoo bottles, like wash it twice.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't even.
But in this case, I honestly feel like with the organics, they break down over time. So if you put too much in the beginning, it's just going to break down more over time anyway.
Yeah.
So worst case scenario, you'll just have the feed last a little bit longer.
Yeah, I
So
agree.
I don't think there's that much of a downside.
Most upvoted comment on what we should nickname sweet potatoes here at Epic Gardening. That's what we'll call them, as long as it's not vulgar. But a little vulgar is fine. So this is more or less the process to reset a bed.
This is basically, to me, this is like the most base level,
Yeah, this is a minimal way to do it.
kind of old school, classic way to do it.
And you really don't have to get too fancy here. You can do this with, you don't have to buy a bag of fert. You could do this with your compost or whatever you got. Yeah, whatever you got lying around. By the way, pretty soon, next spring, we should have some really sick irrigation kits
I'm actually really excited about it.
for the raised bed systems.
Yeah,
And we've seen the other stuff out there. I don't know, Jacques.
I think we're gonna do it better.
I think we're gonna do it better.
Better and easier, and we're going to reduce the complexity for you guys at home. That's all I'm gonna say for now.
Yeah, because we know who's watching.
Yeah, we know who's.
We know someone.
We know
out there's
somebody's
watching.
taking notes.
You know, a pill bug is a crustacean.
Is that like
Like they're not insects.
right? What?
Taxonomically,
I should know the taxonomy behind that.
it's the
Like,
the
what is
legs.
it? Is the
Insects have less legs than these guys.
oh, that's it.
That's one of the things.
So what about like a millipede?
Millipede is not an insect, I don't think, right?
I don't
Is
know.
it?
I don't know.
Going off camera. No, they're not. See, I got it right.
They're also crustaceans?
They're diplopodons. They're more
That's what I was
closely
gonna say
related
a
to
second.
shrimp, crayfish, and lobsters.
Wow.
Millipedes and insects are both arthropods, the largest group of animals on Earth, but they're not insects.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I could respect that.
yeah.
All right, you taught me something new.
A
I'll allow it.
centipede is, a sow bug, which is what, I call it a roly-poly.
Yeah.
And in the frog keeping world, respect gunch, everyone, you call that an isopod, just generic. Those aren't insects.
Are you gonna get any of those rare isopods?
100%.
Like those like
Yeah.
cow ones or whatever?
let me just say this, Jacques. Let me just say this, okay? And for those of you at the new place, I'm gonna have a frog room. And maybe even a fish is gonna be in there too.
Okay.
And maybe a turtle.
All right.
Okay.
I'm definitely gonna come check out the turtle.
Okay, if
I know
I
you're a turtle guy.
whatever
but
gets you up there, Jacques, I'll buy it.
I know that you've talked turtle game for a while now, but I still haven't seen it. So I'm just saying.
Wow. Jacques, what do you think? Pretty solid harvest?
I think we've got a mountain of sweet taties or tatos or whatever you guys want to call it. We need a name.
We need the most upvoted comment to tell us the name. Last harvest here at the homestead as a tenant, as a liver, and it's a little bittersweet. But it's happy to be doing it with my boy, the hermit. Happy to have a great harvest here.
Very sweet harvest.
And something I did want to say is we do have our craziest sale of the year going on right now. It's the Black Friday Cyber Monday. Everyone's doing a sale. Everyone's doing it. But actually, I saw in the comments on last episode some people who got killer deals. So there's a lot of ways you can stack some of the things that we're doing. There's free seeds if you order over a certain amount. There's gifts with purchase over certain tiers. And there's just straight up discounts, like 20% off all of our online seed only.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Which is pretty good. We released all new varieties for next year, 22 varieties plus 3 seed shakers with alternative lawns. And then it's 25% off our raised beds and some of our other gear
Yeah,
as
seed
well.
starting grow bags, our new organic USA grow straw. So a lot of options for sure.
Ton of options, so take advantage. Of course, everyone's got a sale going on, but even if you have a gardener in your life, we actually have collections that we did this bundle that it's every new seed. So just put it in a bundle,
Nobody's gonna
comes
be
in a little
talking
box. You know what I mean?
Nobody's gonna be
like, hey, like if someone's really a gardener, to me,
Yeah.
like think about you when you first started. Would you have loved to get the brand you like, at least, like your favorite seed companies, all their new ones?
100%. No
So-
questions asked.
Anyways, we'll see you guys on the next one. Good luck in the garden and keep on growing.